Zachary, Louisiana is a city on the move. It has been known for the past 15 years as the #1 school district in our state of Louisiana.
Zachary is the fastest growing city in the state of Louisiana. Also about 16 miles from Baton Rouge, so it provides its residents with a lot of opportunities.
Sort of our motto is it's a great place to raise a family. It's a great place to live, work, and play is what we say. And we have the YMCA, which is total community, and then we have people here who are totally invested.
Munson Hills is going to be a fabulous community.
So Michael came to us with this project, and he's probably one of the most enthusiastic developers we've had so far.
It's going to be high quality. Michael, they're putting the work in, they're putting the time in, and even when it comes to architect design.
My name is Michael Stricklin. I am the co-owner and founder of Stricklin and Porter Land and Stricklin and Porter Construction.
So I would describe Michael as a family man because he's surrounded by family all of the time.
We talked about Zachary. He told me some of the visions that he would have, and I always think he should make things better, and that's what he's done. He's bought a few properties, made them better, brought bigger properties, and is going to make them better. So he's definitely going to make some changes in Zachary.
When we decided to go with Munson Hills, well, it wasn't even Munson Hills at the time. It was that piece of property.
We found a piece of property and decided that we could make Zachary better by bringing in a development that they've never seen before.
What was once 100 acres of pasture land is now going to be developed and have ponds and structure and infrastructure with gorgeous homes on it.
Every lot out there be at least a little over an acre, some considerably more. And it's going to be a completely custom home build. There won't be any cookie cutter style houses in it. They won't have to worry about their property value going down because it's a really good area.
We're shooting for 59 unique homes, especially in the inside, where you're going to create lifelong memories in a place where you can raise your family.
So Munson Hills is a unique development because it's actually embracing the community in which it's being developed in. Zachary's a rural, rustic community, and they're providing low-density, high-quality product. They're preserving wetland areas, and they're providing a lot more open space than they're required for the city of Zachary.
The houses are going to be gorgeous in that particular neighborhood. They're going to be larger than what you would get in the middle of town.
Some of the cabinets were actually built off the trees where the land is being developed. So that's about as close to home as you can get. And you can use the tree and cut it up and make your front door out of it.
So it's something that we are very pleased with, to be able to say these cabinets were handmade by Stricklin and Porter in your dream home.
There's split rail fencing, there's water features with signage, lights, and features that really provide a welcoming entrance as soon as you drive up.
Michael is really just trying to make Zachary a better town by continue to expand, and he just wants to provide people with the best homes possible.
I was born and raised here, so I've watched the community evolve to what it is today. We have a great sense of community, a great sense of involvement here. You're 20 minutes from everything, but you're not in the middle of a big, humongous city.
Munson Hills, the greatest subdivision in Zachary, Louisiana. Behind the gate, there will sit 59 beautiful custom homes. 24 of them will be on lake lots. This is something you will not find anywhere else in Zachary. See the description below for more information.
If you want to see more about my story and the company story and follow us through our great builds and our great developments, hit the like button and subscribe.